someone there? Wait, kittens?
Dada!
Oh, Indigo, what are you doing awake? You scared Daddy half to death.
Kitty.
Get off! You should all be in your crib right now. It's way past your bedtime. Now get out of here or so help me. All right, fine. You can sleep in bed with me tonight. But you have to go to sleep, okay? No antics, shenanigans, and definitely no tomfoolery. Hey, what did I just say? What the? Stop! Don't touch that! Why are you acting like this? You're not supposed to break things that aren't yours. Okay, since none of you seem tired yet, maybe you need a distraction. Why don't you make me a little drawing while I take a nap? You can wake me up when you're done. Take your time with it, okay? Make some real masterpieces. What's going on? Oh, no, no! What have you all done? Oh, you think that's funny, huh? Destroying Daddy's things and coloring all over his walls? And my face! Now, when I'm done with the three of you, you're gonna be... Oh, great. Where'd they go now? Seriously? I'm gonna wring those little kittens' necks! That can't be good.